So we have a special guest on today's episode. If you guys watched last week, you may know exactly who this is. We got Kyle from 13 How's it going, man?
Cam reception.
Yeah, right?
Ooh. I was like, this is probably the last time it's going to be in the snow. I might as well,
You can fire Kyle, it's okay.
Damn, look at this. Quite the entrance.
Alright, so it is official. They're here. The R8 is here. So good to see it finally.
Been waiting for years to get this thing here.
How does it feel like finally having this? You've owned it for how long now?
Since September.
Okay.
So not too long, but I've wanted to buy one of these forever.
Yeah.
It's fun stock, but I bought this car for a reason. It needs turbos on it.
We're just waiting currently right now on R&D. We're going to open up a spot over there for the vehicle, and then we'll get it put over there. And we're starting disassembly pretty sure today.
Yeah. I think so. That's what's coming.
So you guys you're staying today and tomorrow to do disassembly, right?
Yep.
Well, that's actually the reticle.
Yeah.
This is the sight.
Oh.
Wait, I haven't seen these.
This summer it'll be fully automatic.
Yeah,
Wait, what?
We'll grip on it.
Yeah.
You can break the dat.
What?
And they're going to convert to fully automatic.
How are you going to make that fully auto?
You put a airsoft actuator and connect it to the chamber.
Oh, okay, I got you. Like, man, that's pump action.
This is the best thing I've seen all day. Here's the car that Martin wouldn't sell me. It wasn't white anyways, that's alright. What's up? How you guys doing?
Yeah, you?
Good.
We build this trans so don't mess it up.
Yeah, I'll do my best not to.
But like finished products, probably like 450, 500 finished products, and like sub items with thousands and thousands of them. So analyzing all that.
What's going on, man? Big fan.
Thank you. Dropping my car off.
Get some swirly boys on there.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So this is over in another shop. You know,
oh my god.
You know when you walk in, you're in the wash bay, and looking out the shop on the left hand side, there's kind of a wrecking the wall. That's where shipping was.
Oh.
So these poor guys had to work in that area.
Wow.
Dude, so like, yeah, it was, yeah.
I love seeing the growth, like the rate of growth that shops have. We were over at Haltex in Australia, and they were in like a just like basically these two rooms, and they were just like 10 people in the tech support room, and all it was. Now they're in like a 15,000 square foot massive shop.
Big boy kid.
Yeah, buddy.
What?
Watch the mark.
Hola, Andrew. How's it going, man?
But Kyle before the races a few times.
Yeah.
Get some shootout most of the time. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna point this out. I don't think we've actually ever shown this in any of the vlogs yet, but yeah, Joey put these up, right? I think so, right? Yeah. So it looks really cool. So we got the drag Huracan doing its wheelie.
So fun. We gotta get out of here.
Then over here,
So we have a nice lunchroom over there, and then a coffee
got the practice GTR.
That's over.
AMS red walls. Looks really nice.
Nice new ass.
We got a great one. Not bad. How about yourself? Good. We got a great one of him on the way over here in the truck.
Oh my!
I got like the Spider-Man like web going. Oh my god! Singing about dog treats. Jeez. Yeah, he's a little rough around the edges, but he's a good boy.
Don't be on my tire.
What do you think, man? It's the last time it's gonna be stock.
I know. I'm taking a good look at it. It's gonna be different when I pick it up in a few weeks.
Yeah. Is it like settling in now finally?
Oh
Like,
yeah,
it's happening.
actually happening.
Yeah. Alex.
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Yeah, so you guys working on it?
I am.
Kyle.
Alex.
Nice to meet you.
You too, man.
Parts on parts on parts.
What's in the box?
Show you with the box. What was in the box?
I'm Kyle Loftus, 1320 Video, and I am here with my dream car, my Audi R8 that I got last fall. Drove it around a few months stock, but I had to bring it to AMS to get turboed. The guys have been bringing all the parts back here to get ready to put on the car, and we're just about to get it torn down. And I can't wait to hear the turbo spool up on this thing in a few weeks.
Everybody, so that does it for day one of Kyle's R8 build. We're going to touch back in over the next few days. They're going to go head back to their hotel, get some rest, and we're going to start bright and early tomorrow morning. We'll talk with Alex as soon as we get in, and we'll kind of get the scoop on what's going to be the first thing to really get started on the car. So other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video.